What is up, YouTube? It is a beautiful Wednesday morning, or not Wednesday, it's Thursday morning. And I'm out here about to move the sheep. You can hear they're mad at me, but we're about to move in this green section right here. Me and Maverick's out here just kind of chilling, collecting all the eggs, getting everybody fed up this morning, and letting the goats out, and then we're gonna move the sheep. All right, goats have got some hay. I'll let them out a little bit. They got a few more pine tree cuttings that they need to take care of. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them out, let them stretch their legs today. It's been raining all day yesterday, but nice and sunny right now. But they're eating their hay. And yeah, we gotta do something about all this spent hay. I know it's kind of a waste, but we'll turn it into potato patch, hopefully. That's what we're looking at doing, using it as a mulch for our potato garden. And yeah, it worked out pretty good last year, so we'll see how it goes. Biggest thing I need to work on are these shelters. They're kind of dilapidated, but we built them when we were broke teachers, and now only one of us is a broke teacher, so we got a little more financial stability, so to speak. This fencing right here that looks ghetto rigged is basically just to keep the boys from jumping over the fence when the girls are ready to date. We'll just say that. I'll say these little fences by Gallagher are really good. They've really come in handy. They're pretty inexpensive, and they power all these nets pretty good. So I'm pretty stoked about those. Good stuff. Merrily whirly. Marl wasn't feeling too good last week. He's doing a lot better now. I think he got too much fresh grass all at one time. Garden 3, 4, 5.0. It's coming along pretty good. Still got a little cleanup to do. I'll try to get the sides weed-eated today where the grass is overgrown. We had to repair our little net here. I'm gonna have to do some repairs on it, but yeah, gotta get that going so that we can have some vine vegetables growing. I still got a little cleanup on these other fences to do as well. We're gonna start incorporating raised beds this year. My wife's got a ton of garlic and onions planted in this one. I can already see some of it growing up. And I got 3 more of these put together, but hopefully that'll help us succeed a little bit more and get more groceries in the freezer. So I got to get another thing of wood chips as well. We've been kind of mixing compost and rabbit litter in here. This is all wood chips. It was stacked about waist high, but I've dwindled it down quite a bit. And this is all compost from the chicken coops that I dug out. We got to dig that up and put that in the garden beds. But I think we're going to have a really good year this year. What's up, chickies? Good morning. Elvis, what's up, buddy? Our bifielders have finally started throwing down some eggs, so got a pretty good egg production crew going on over here. Mavi, what's up, buddy? Hey, Maverick. Hey, buddy. So me and Maverick are about to go do these sheep. Get down. He likes being outside with me, and we just kind of hook him up to these trees, and it gives him some free reign, play around, dig around, because I don't want him to run into the road or run off into the woods. Look at this beautiful, beautiful landscape. Gosh, it's pretty out here. There go the goaty goats. This is about the best way I've been able to move them easily by myself, is I'll set up 2 perimeter nets now that we have more babies, and they'll sit here and chill while I set the rest of the net up around them. I'm coming, hold on. So as you can see, they are muddy as sin because it was nasty out here last night. So we got 7 new ewelings. We got 3 girls, 4 boys, or 4 boys and 3 girls, one of those, something like that. So You look like you got war paint on, y'all. Let them in. Go ahead. Go get some fresh grass. Come on, babies. Now I'm gonna lock them up. So anyway, that is the video for the day. Hope everyone's doing great. I gotta go back to work tomorrow, but yeah, it's a good day here on the homestead. Peace. Hey, Blackfoot. Oh, I guess your other tooth came out. Hey, babies. Babies. Whoa. All right, fresh ground, fresh grass. Hopefully we'll get some good grass this season, huh? Get off that anthill, girl. So I'm trying to be more vigilant about moving the sheep and not letting them just sit here forever. It's kind of difficult sometimes when you work full time, crazy hours. But I do have some time off. So I'm enjoying this time off. I'm spending it with the sheep. Blackfoot, back up, buddy. Back up, buddy. So this grass in this section, as you can tell, is not really good, except for this little part here. But then over here, it's kind of crap looking, but I'm trying to keep them on it so that they can put some manure down for me. Blackfoot's got something going on with his grill. We're gonna have to keep an eye on that. But I'm gonna let him eat here for a couple days. Probably should move him tomorrow, but I'm gonna let him eat here for a couple days. I'm gonna throw him some hay, and then move him over here to this thicker stuff, and hopefully they can mow some in my yard. Gotta work on this garden, cleaning it up, getting it ready this week. And then I'm gonna move them down, oops. And I'll move them down there to that dark green stuff. So this is where they were. They've been here for about 2 days and they cleared this out really good. And the greenery is coming up a little better on the hillside now than it was. It doesn't look quite as bad as it did last year. So we're gonna keep an eye on that, keep that moving. But yep, these babies are healthy as can be. We tried to milk a little bit yesterday and it didn't go great, but sometimes that's just a challenge. But I did get their hooves clipped, so I'm trying to keep up on that so they don't get any kind of infections. So my goal today is to complete the goat shed. I'm building a new goat shed and locking pins so that we can lock the babies up and keep them from drinking all the milk so that we can get some milk. And also it's just going to provide more shelter for the other goats when they sleep at night. And it's going to be mobile, so I'm going to try and make some video footage of that and post that as well on maybe the next video that I make. So hope everyone's doing great. Just want to give you an update on the sheep, and we're rolling into spring and summer, y'all.